Thank you very much. Okay, good morning. I won't yell at you. I normally try to project, but there are a few of us here. So my name's Bretta Fabian. I come from New Zealand, and so I'm here to talk with you about going back to that place. I'm a little bit partial. I think it is absolutely one of the most stunning places as well. So any video you've seen, any photographs you've seen, it really does genuinely look like that. I can guarantee it. But right now I'm talking about Grizzlies Abroad in New Zealand, Sydney. It's a sustainable business course, the faculty-led program by Dr. Shankar. So all of this means that you get university credit. You can get 6 credits for going on this course. It has no prerequisites, and it does qualify for university and financial aid. So if you're wondering about how you're going to afford it, you're wondering about how those credits can apply to your specific major, we have an information session tonight, tomorrow, and Thursday night. Or the very last slide is going to have Dr. Klass's email address, so please feel free to ask any questions like that. Now, the other important thing that you need to know about this program is that it's experiential learning based. So that means that we believe you learn best by doing. And in a place like New Zealand, that means most of that doing part is where you're going to be outside, you're going to be hiking, you're going to be kayaking, you're going to be doing sort of ecotourism sports while learning about triple bottom line sustainability. So what's that mean? Well, you've got the sustainable business overarching view, so that's economic sustainability. But you also have cultural sustainability and environmental sustainability. So most people go to the environmental portion first, and you're certainly going to be talking about a lot of that. But you'll get that cultural component and then the economic as well. So this is what your campus is going to look like. It's not a traditional campus. You're going to be traveling all over the South Island of New Zealand and then flying up to Sydney. This can be your classroom. So when you're at Sydney, you are going to be spending a little bit of time, one full day at the university there, and you're going to be having some lectures while you're on the road. And so we try to integrate that. So you're going to be sort of lecture, module while you're there, then you're going to go out for a hike and see the things that you've been lectured about, or experience the module that you've been doing, do the data collection, come back, write it up, that sort of thing. So your adventure and your academics are integrated. And then your instructor, though it is faculty-led, you're going to be actually speaking with lots of locals, lots of tour operators. There's a service learning component in Christchurch, where we'll be speaking with the locals there about their post-earthquake restructuring, rehabilitation, re-engineering. And so you'll be getting a lot of sort of different instruction as well, rather than one faculty member for your entire group. So if any of that sounds interesting, or if you just want more information, like I said, about how you can afford it, about how these credits can apply to your program, or just about the itinerary, which I'll be going over later, we've got these 3 information sessions at the University campus in GBV, the Gallagher Business Building, room 119, 4 p.m. Or you can visit the Study Abroad website at the business school, which is where the program lives, because that's where Dr. Klass is, where he lives in his professional work, or you can just email Sean. They'll be happy to answer questions like that. I'm also going to pass around this sign-up sheet, so if you want more information, this isn't a commitment. Just write your email down and get more information. Thank you very much for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Of course. So if you guys don't want to write your name down, just pass it to the next row and I'll collect